Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.8% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.1%. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.1% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.2%. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
Wall Street stocks struggled for direction as investors braced for a slew of US economic data this week, especially consumer prices, to gauge the outlook for Federal Reserve monetary policy. Real estate and financials were the top losers among S&P 500 sectors. Marathon Digital Holdings has announced the $250 million offering of convertibles senior notes due in 2031 in a private offering toward qualified institutional buyers. Marathon, the world's largest Bitcoin mining firm, is also considering selling an additional $37.5 million in notes to initial purchasers based on market conditions. Ratings agencies S&P and Moody's downgraded JetBlue Airways after the carrier unveiled plans to raise more than $3 billion in debt, majority backed by its loyalty program, TrueBlue. Sales of the New York-based company plummeted 19%.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The UK's employment change will be released at 6 GMT. The US NFIB Business Optimism Index at 10 GMT. Germany's ZEW survey current situation at 9 GMT. Germany's ZEW survey economic sentiment will be released at 9 GMT. The UK's claimant count change at 6 GMT. The US producer price index at 12:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.